world is drowning in debt, more than $300 trillion. But the real danger is not how much we owe. It is whether we can still roll it over. Modern economies do not survive by paying debt. They survive by replacing old debt with new debt. This is called refinancing, and it is the engine of the global system. As long as interest is low, the machine works. Governments borrow, markets lend. Everyone pretends the system is stable. But when rates rise, everything changes. Refinancing becomes expensive. Budgets collapse. Confidence disappears. This is the debt wall, the moment when countries must borrow more, just to survive, not to grow, not to invest, only to stay alive. When too many nations hit this wall, the system stops working. Banks freeze, markets panic, liquidity disappears. Debt was never meant to be repaid. It was meant to be rolled forever. But no system can roll forever, and every system eventually hits its wall.